Imagine you're at a supermarket. You walk in to buy one loaf of bread. You walk out with bread, chocolate, a scented candle, and a pack of batteries you didn't even know you needed. Why? Because your brain, clever as it is, doesn't always make purely rational choices. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we explore the hidden forces shaping our economy and our lives. Today's topic, behavioral economics, the fascinating science of why we make decisions that sometimes defy logic. The full economics playlist is linked below in the description. Today's topic, part of our modern economic challenges, will explain what is behavioral economics. Traditional economics assumes we're all rational agents, always making choices that maximize our self-interest. Behavioral economics says, not so fast. Humans are emotional, impulsive, and easily influenced by context. It blends psychology with economics to study real-world decision-making. Key ideas: 1. Bounded rationality. We make good enough decisions, not perfect ones, because our brains have limits. 2. Loss aversion. Losing $100 feels worse than gaining $100 feels good. 3. Anchoring effect. The first number we see influences our judgment, even if it's random. 4. Choice architecture. The way options are presented changes our decisions. Example: in one experiment, people bought more wine when the store played French music and more German wine when it played German music. The price and quality never changed, just the soundtrack. Why this matters for economics. Consumer behavior. Understanding buying habits helps businesses and policymakers design better products and policies. Public policy. Nudges can encourage healthier eating, saving for retirement, or paying taxes on time. Financial markets. Even investors fall for overconfidence and herd behavior, causing bubbles and crashes. Case study: the UK's pension auto-enrollment policy boosted savings dramatically, not by forcing anyone, but by making saving the default option. Famous quote: "People aren't dumb. The world is hard." Richard Thaler, Nobel Prize winner in economics. Why you should care. Behavioral economics explains why we often act against our best interests and how subtle changes in the world around us can lead to better outcomes. If you understand these patterns, you can make smarter choices in money, business, health, and life. Coming up next episode, role of central banks and interest rates like the Fed, RBI. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Add platform icons in editing for more brain-friendly economics. This is the Learning Studio, where curiosity meets clarity.